Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by selecting the column where phone numbers will live. This is the first actionable step. Once selected, set the cells to text format so Excel won't drop leading zeros or convert to scientific notation. Make sure you pick a single consistent display pattern now, for example +1, ############################################################################################################################################################################################################################################################################################################################################################################################### helper column if you need to preserve raw digits versus formatted display. You now type numbers using methods that enforce your chosen format. If you want exact text, start entries with an apostrophe. Excel treats them as text and preserves formatting. If you prefer numeric storage, enter plain digits and apply a custom number format like +0, 000, 000-0000. This keeps numbers mathematically usable. For imported or split parts, use concat or text join to assemble area code and local number. Make sure to preview a few rows to confirm consistent output. You finish by converting any formulas to values. Copy the column and paste special values so formats won't break when shared. Once done, run a quick find and replace to remove stray spaces or dashes and validate that leading zeros are preserved. If numbers display oddly, make sure cells are set to text or reapply your custom numeric format. If a cell shows ###, switch column width or confirm it's numeric. This resolves most common issues fast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.